gon' change now.
Hello, how are you all? Today we will learn about the amazing Rich Blue tone preset filter. So we present you some samples in it. Now you see how this image was before and how it is now. Friends, we hope you will see our video complete. So let's start. Friends, the first thing you have to edit is select the image. So friends, I think you have also selected the image, so without going to waste time, we start. So friends, first you have to go to the light option. After coming to the friends light option, you have to first reduce its exposure to 0.20. After that you have to +6 the contrast. More highlights you have to do, 4. After that you have to increase the shadow to +25. Now friends, after all this, you have to go to the curve option, and select white color. Now friends, you will follow this step carefully, otherwise keep a note in a notebook. Now friends, click on done. Now friends, we have to go to the color option. After coming in the friends color option, you have to increase the temperature to +6. Then tint has to increase you +25. And then you have to increase the saturation to +20. Now you have to go to the color grading option. After getting into the color grading option, now you have to set the shadow. Now friends, you have to do hue 217. After that you have to increase the saturation to 32. Balance has to be increased to 21. After that you have to go to the midtones. Increase hue to 232. After that you have to increase the saturation to 30. Now you have to go to highlight. Increase hue to 62. And you have to increase the saturation to 45. Now friends, check your entire process once again carefully. Okay, alright, now friends click on done. So guys, I think if you are bored then we process further ones, okay. Now we have to go to the vignette option friends. Now we have to increase the texture to +25. Clarity to increase to +10 after texture. After that we have dehaz, up to 5. Now the vignette is 57. Then we have to increase the midpoint to +65. To increase feather to +70. We have to increase roundness. We have to increase the highlight to 25. We have to increase the grain amount by 20. And we have to size 20. Now we have to increase the roughness to 70. Friend, after that we have to go to the sharp option. Now friends, we have to increase sharpening to 50. You have to increase the radius by 30. After that we have to increase the detail to 40. Reduce masking to 50. And increase noise reduction to 25. No, you have to reduce detail to 70. And friends, increase contrast to 30. I hope you're enjoying. No color noise, you have to increase to 50. You have to increase smoothness to 100 friends. Now after the whole process, do a check once. Now friends, we have to go to the filter option. After entering the filter option, friends select the artistic filters. Now friends, we have to select the first filter, and increase the saturation to 110. After this, our image has been perfectly edited friends. We just have to do a little setting, and that setting is that we have to increase the blue saturation to +100 after going to the color option. Friends, you can see how perfectly our image has been edited. Now we will see whether this setting is copied and applied to other images. As you may be able to see, friends, this setting of ours is being immediately applied to these images. So enjoy the video. Please subscribe to the channel for more amazing and awesome creative Lightroom preset every week.